physiological impact of positive and negative energy balance. Positive energy balance occurs if caloric intake exceeds output, tissue stores excessive nutrients, and this can lead to weight gain. This occurs when your energy input is greater than your energy output. This can also mean you eat more calories than your body uses, and then your body stores excessive energy or calories as fat. Positive energy balance can occur by overeating and can lead to someone being overweight and eventually being obese. Becoming obese can increase the risk of certain diseases such as type 2 diabetes, digestive disorders, heart disease, kidney failure, hypertension, stroke, and cancers. Negative energy balance occurs if caloric expenditure exceeds intake. Sugars are broken down for energy, and this can lead to weight loss. Some ways this occurs is by having a small appetite, doing excessive exercise, or starving. Some symptoms of negative energy balance are low blood pressure, slow pulse, chills, dry skin, hair loss, and poor immunity. This can also lead to a decline in metabolism, decrease in bone mass, reduction in thyroid hormones, and an inability to concentrate, and many more symptoms. These are my sources.